Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on Zcash. On the 7 day time frame chart, you can see that for the past 3 weeks, the price of Zcash is still struggling to break out this long-term resistance of $305 that had been previously working at the point of rejection here, resistance here, and now again it is acting as a strong resistance for the price line of Zcash. And before that, but you can see that we have already broken out this huge falling wedge pattern and this smaller wedge that was by the way formed above the resistance of this previous falling wedge pattern. And here we had a long spike to the downside, and here we also had a long spike to the downside, but the price and could not break down this downtrend and support. That was, in fact, the previous resistance of the wedge that was acting as a support of this smaller wedge. And after the breakout from this wedge, we also broke out another downtrend and resistance. Then we had a very, very massive rally. And so far, by the way, from this low to this current high, uh, the price of Zcash has rallied more than 1800%. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. You can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal works, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of September 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for Horizon, let me show you the Zcash trade setup that I shared in the previous month, this one. And this was the trade setup for Zcash. If you will click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 19th of September. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Zcash. And here on the daily time, on the 7 day time frame chart, you can see that the price of Zcash has already broken out this huge wedge. And before the breakout from this wedge, it also broke out this smaller wedge as well. Then it was rejected by the resistance of the bigger wedge, retested the previous resistance of the smaller wedge as support, and geared up and got stuck inside the small wedge and retested the previous resistance of the wedge, the bigger wedge as support. And it was also acting as support of the smaller wedge as well. And after the breakout from this wedge, we had a very, very nice and powerful rally. And so far from this low to here, it has rallied more than 1800%. And now it is very close to hit the target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And that target is about to be here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between $400 to $500. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.